What is up, everybody? Byron and Candace here with B Diamond Leather, coming at you with another video, but this one's a little bit different. This is just our update video. We wanted to update everybody of what we're doing down here at the shop. Also, what the plan is for the rest of this year of December. And then, starting in January, what our plan is for January. So, as of right now, we're super busy in the shop. Santa's elves are cranking out some stuff down here so we can get everybody's Christmas orders out.
Yep.
We have some saddles that we're finishing up, but we also do have a lot of stuff in shop that if you're local, come on down. On our website, you can jump on there and also get stuff off of our website as well. But for the rest of this year, we're only going to be doing one more B Diamond Leather video. As far as like our how-tos go, because it's coming down to the wire for us, and we seriously are so busy down here. We're working double and triple time just to get people's orders out before Christmas. So we have one more video coming up. I might be doing one more shop talk video. I'm in the works with Adam down at Time Warp Custom Paint to do a kind of a rad video that him and I have been talking about doing for a while. So stay tuned. Fingers crossed we can get that taken care of before the end of the year. But next year is going to be a rad year. We're planning on doing a lot more tutorial videos. We're going to get into some more in-depth type videos.
Oh yeah, definitely in depth. Indeed.
Depth. Yep, a lot of depth on those. But we're going to get into a little bit harder of projects. We want to show you guys that you can upgrade your skill level just like we have. And we're constantly upgrading our skill level anyways. What else? What else do we got?
Well, we can't discuss it, but we just did a cool order for a celebrity.
Oh, that's true. Actually,
we can talk about it.
We can talk about it at the beginning of next year, though. But it is someone that we've done some. Actually, we can talk about it, but we can't show it until next year.
Ooh.
So do we show it?
No.
Next year, or talk about it, or what? What do we do?
We unveil it all at once.
Okay, we will unveil it all at once. Stay tuned for the beginning of the year. It'll probably be in our first video of the year, but it's pretty stinking rad. We're grateful to be able to work with this particular individual multiple times.
Yeah.
Again. But so also with the updates for next year, let me know in the comments if you guys are enjoying the shop talk videos, or if you guys would rather just have us stick to leather tutorial videos. It really is helpful when you guys respond back to us so that we kind of know a direction to take the channel. Do you guys want to see more lifestyle videos of things that we do? Or do you just want us to stick to just doing leather and to shut the heck up for everything else?
Keep our trap shut.
Yeah, shut your dang traps, diamonds. Also, we really would like to say thank you very much for all those people that have been subscribing to the channel, watching the videos, commenting, and growing the channel. It has actually been quite the year.
So cool.
Yeah, the channel is a little over a year old right now from when we first started really uploading our videos. I mean, I think our channel's like 8 years old, but we never uploaded anything. We just tried to save the name so no one else would get it.
Yep.
But next year, we do have some pretty cool things going on as far as shop talk goes. If you guys want to see that stuff, we're trying to get not just our local people, but we're trying to expand out from just our local area.
So if you know someone or know someone who knows someone, let us know.
Yeah, let us know, please.
We're excited. It's going to go big.
Yep, and actually what our next video is going to be about, so our next video, we are doing another custom leather jacket for a customer. And it's going to be showing how to do some of the stuff that we're doing to the actual jacket. But also, I'm trying to find just another simple little thing that we could show you guys that you could make before Christmas. So if you have any ideas, make sure you comment below. And also in the next video, we are going to be telling who won the giveaway ornament.
Lucky.
Is it you? Did you leave a comment on our last video?
It's probably you.
If you did, you have an opportunity to win it. Also, next year, we're going to try to have a B Diamond Leather YouTube t-shirt specifically for YouTube.
That's exciting.
It is
I
exciting
didn't know that.
and new.
I'm going to get one.
I just made it up right now, so
Wow.
we'll see how it goes. I'm Byron.
I'm Candace. Hold on. Oh, hold
Where
on.
is he?
He's like,
There's Odin.
here's Odin.
We're B Diamond Leather. Have a rad week, everybody.
Everything that happens is motivation.